Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Acorns for retirement savings. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start connecting with Acorns for your retirement savings, first, download the Acorns app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app once it's installed on your device. Select the option to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a secure password. After that, provide your personal details, including your name and date of birth. Next, input your residential address and phone number. Acorns will ask for your social security number for verification purposes. Once you've entered your information, agree to Acorns' terms and conditions. Now, you will need to verify your identity by uploading a valid form of identification. After your identity is verified, the app will guide you through setting up your investment preferences. Choose the retirement account option that best suits your needs, such as an IRA or Roth IRA. You can specify your investment goals, including the amount you wish to save regularly. Link your bank account by entering your banking details for easy transfers. Acorns may require you to confirm small deposits made to your bank account for security. Once your bank account is linked, set up your recurring contributions based on your budget. You can choose to invest the spare change from your everyday purchases automatically. Review your account settings and ensure that your contributions and investment strategy align with your retirement goals. Finally, confirm your account setup and monitor your savings progress through the app. You are now connected with Acorns for your retirement savings journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.